Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the iPhone flashlight when it's not working. So, let's get started. First, perform a force restart on your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. Then release it. Wait for your iPhone to restart completely. Once your iPhone turns back on, open the Settings app. Tap on General, then select Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Apple often fixes flashlight issues in new updates. Next, go back to Settings and tap on Screen Time. Scroll down and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then turn the toggle off. Sometimes these restrictions can interfere with the flashlight feature. Now, swipe down from the top of the screen to open Control Center. Tap and hold the flashlight icon, then slide it up and down a few times to check if it starts working again. If the issue still isn't fixed, go back to Settings, tap General, then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, and choose Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system settings. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.